here we have a 2013 Kia Sportage, and interesting, this isn't working, which is a bit of a worry. So when you put the buckle in, clicks, oh, that's fine, push it in. If it doesn't click, obviously it's not secure, but you can end up, just when you're in a rush, whacking it in and it kind of holds. That is holding, but if I pull tight it pops out. So what I'm thinking is there's probably some dirt in there somewhere, so we're just going to spray some WD-40 down here and see if that helps things at all. He says nothing coming out. It's better. Load of WD down that. Let's see if that. Yeah, that seems better. It's clicking all the time now. Yep. I don't think we've even got any. Oh yeah, there's a bit on there. Yeah, WD-40 is for that one. Let's try and do it half. Yeah, it won't. Yep, fixed. So just spray WD-40 down the hole. That will fix the mechanism so it kind of doesn't pull loose. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and I'll see you on another one.